Hey everyone, we're here at Matt Stone Racing having a little bit of fun today doing a pit stop challenge with our friends at NTI.
The NTI guys are going up against the MSR boys here, so let's see who's got it.
Alright, coming in hot.
Righto, loosen your belt, helmet area, unplug your cool suit, neutral in the box, and line locker when you stop. Go Colin. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad.
Very nice.
Not bad.
Ready, steady, go.
Bring her in, bring her in. Here we go.
Here we go. Not bad, still not bad, that's still pretty good. Keep going like this, you'll get hired. All right, coming in hot.
Come on, fellas, go!
Very good. I had to stop the car, I'm like, no!
Bottom line, no! Go on, Carmo, get that, mate. Carmo, into it, Carmo. Ew.
Guys, first.
Not bad,
Very good.
Not bad. Not bad, nice size.
Well, that's our pit stop challenge done and dusted. It was really close in the end, actually. Really impressed with the guys at NTI. But Jack, you got the results. How did we fare?
Yeah, so the MSR boys just came up in front of the other boys there. So awesome credit to the NTI guys. I think it proves just how hard these guys work to get better and quick at these stops. So awesome day out. Had a lot of fun doing it. So thanks for tuning in.